Alright guys, it's February 13th and I'm in the NY rest stop, as you can see. Then there's laundry over here and lots of unfortunate souls. But anyway, I'm in a row because I'm doing laundry. I'm wearing my underwear. But yeah, so right now I'm thinking of just how I'm gonna upload the rest of my Colombia footage to YouTube. And I'm just gonna upload maybe like a 30-minute or 40-minute video, if that. And then I'm gonna start my Hawaii videos, okay? And really for Hawaii, the concept that I'm going for is just homeless in Hawaii and just my experience in getting a job, getting an apartment, like getting stabilized, and let's see how long it takes, like maybe 90 days for full stabilization. But I'm thinking of whether I should stay homeless while I'm working just to save more money, but we'll see how foolish that is when the time comes. But anyway, yeah, there's a little update for you guys, and in real life, I had breakfast at 2 homeless shelters this morning, and I'm just trying to not get bed bugs. Alright, peace. I am finding a rhythm, I'm struggling, and I should start training at McDonald's on Saturday. And then Burger King, I don't know when because it's a new location, blah, 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 blah. But yeah, my life should start picking up soon, and I'll be dealing with a whole new set of new problems because I'll have to maintain the job while, you know, sleeping in random spots. So there's my third update in a row since all I've been posting is updates, but I'm really struggling out here, and just know that whenever I upload a video, I made it a priority, and I haven't been making it a priority because I got other things that I need to take care of. But this is a step in the right direction, okay? Peace. Also, as far as content that I've recorded in Hawaii, basically it's been like me going around the island, me sleeping in various places, which is kind of cool, I guess. I found some pretty cool resting stops, sleeping spots, but I'm super tired, as you can probably tell, and this is getting to me, like my energy is being drained big time, and being around these people drains my energy, and I've gotten into fights, not fights, but like arguments sometimes, and I lost a pair of my socks doing laundry here. Yeah, I need to get out of here quick, okay? And don't like how junkies ruin it for everyone else. For example, staying at a homeless shelter, like it's so dirty with bed bugs and whatnot, which is why I have to sleep outside. But for people who actually need it for only like a month or 3 months, we can't use it because it's just, there's people over there abusing it. And I want to make a homeless shelter for people who actually need it for 1 to 3 months, short term. And you're going to be forced to shower. You're going to be like creamed, and you're going to be scanned for bugs and whatnot. You're not going to be able to come in with a freaking shopping cart, okay? Also, shout out to you, bro. I really don't believe